Guys, what's going on? It's Eric and we're back with another video. On this video we're gonna be I finally got a Z71 Valance. My boy found it at the junkyard, and yeah, so it's in a little bit of a rough shape, so I'm gonna go, we're me and my brother are here.
Hello.
We're going out to AutoZone right now so we can get some paint, because it's rusted. It has that rust look on it, and then it's the gray one. So we're gonna buy some sandpaper and some paint, and then I'm gonna buy a kind of clear coat, because the fog lights that it came with, they're a little yellow. So we're gonna sand those down, and then yeah, you know, put it up and everything, because I've been wanting one but I couldn't find one. And then yesterday, on Saturday, he calls me, he's like, hey, I found one, you want one? I'm like, yeah. So he got it. Shout out to Migs. And yeah, guys, here, let's go to AutoZone and see if they have the stuff I'm looking for. Guys, we came to AutoZone and we got the paint. It's this type. It's just let me see, just a trim and bumper paint. It's supposed to be like an OEM, just regular color paint. It's for the Silverado, right? Okay. Yeah, so this is gonna be a little filler video. I'm working on the motor. I just need a couple more parts from this point forward. I just need I got the cam. All I need is the timing set. Pretty much it comes with the timing chain, but then the cam sprocket and the crankshaft sprocket, I believe. And then I just gotta slap that on. Then I can put the front cover on. But that video should be done pretty soon. It's gonna be a little long one as well, so hope you guys enjoy that one. But yeah, guys, here, let me drive home and get home, and then we can go ahead and start painting. And then I think if I'm already there, I'm gonna just paint the top step pad since I'm already there, make it look nice, I guess. But yeah, guys. All right, guys, so I cleaned it up. This is it. But I cleaned it up, and then I had to take off the fog lights, and I didn't clean the inside of them. But what I'm using here is simple green with water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the inside of it. That way it's clean. I got it right here.
Oh. Hello, guys.
And then I got a detailing brush as well. My brother's here too. He's babysitting me. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while. Alright, guys. So I wiped it down with a simple green. I'm gonna use some alcohol. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of alcohol so that the paint can stick better. Yeah, so here we go. Alright, guys, so I got it all cleaned up. I put alcohol, I wiped it down. I think it's ready for paint. So we're gonna lay down the first layer right now. Drying it up real good. I think I'm gonna put some air so it can dry faster. But yeah, guys, here, I'm gonna try to put it up here. That way it's easier for you guys to see. Alright, guys, so we're gonna do our first coat. And yeah, let's see how it comes out. Alright, the back. Go back there.
Oh, that was not a good alcohol.
Alright, guys, so it's time for the second coat. We're gonna do the second one right now. And then we're gonna give it one more after this, just to make sure it looks good. Alright guys, it's time for the third coat. It's turning out really good. I'm gonna go with this last coat and then let it sit again. Alright, here goes. Okay. Alright guys, so last coat is done. Now I'm just gonna let it wait for it to dry, and then we can go and put it on. It says about an hour. I missed the spot. Alright. Alright, there we go. So I'm gonna let it sit now and dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the top part of the bumper, and that way it can all match up. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, I put the fog lights in on the valence. It's about dry. We're gonna go and slap it on. So I was taking this tab off, or this upper one, and I just decided to paint it on top. It wasn't too bad of a color. It wasn't as faded as the other parts, but yeah guys, I got some overspray, but I'm gonna wipe that off with alcohol. And yeah, so right now what I'm gonna do, since this is about dry, I'm gonna put it on, and then I'll show you guys after I'm done, because it's a little cold outside. Alright guys, we went out to eat, and we finished it, then we went out to eat. So here's the final product right there. Let me change the camera view real quick. Oh guys, here it is. It looks good. There's my little sister. But all I gotta do now is just wire them up so they work. Right now it's just for looks, and order the bulbs. But yeah guys, I like it. I wanted this one since the beginning. So the plan is like to paint the middle right here the same as the truck, and then color match all the parts, because right there I have the grill. That's a paintable grill, and I have the color matched door handles as well, so I'm gonna be painting those the same color. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. You can find like I said, that paint in AutoZone. So yeah, if you got that the dull plastics. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Alright, tell them thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like the video for more content.
Alright guys, well, stay tuned for the next video. It should be the motor being finished up, wrapped up, and then we can start putting it in. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.